The ancient pyramids of Egypt are among the most iconic structures in the world. But what if there's more to them than meets the eye? Join us as we explore the lost secrets of ancient Egypt and uncover what could be hiding under the pyramids. What is the significance of the pyramids? The pyramids of Giza, located just outside of Cairo, are the oldest and only remaining structures of the seven wonders of the ancient world. These monumental tombs were built over 4,500 years ago and served as burial sites for three of Egypt's most powerful pharaohs, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. But their purpose extended beyond just being tombs. The pyramids were also symbolic representations of the pharaoh's power and wealth, as well as a way to maintain order and stability in the kingdom. Despite their immense size and grandeur, much of what we know about the pyramids has been lost to history. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding these ancient structures is what lies beneath them. We know that they contain the remains of the pharaohs they were built for, but what else could be hiding inside? The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu, is the largest and most well-known of the three pyramids at Giza. It stands at a height of 481 feet and was constructed over a period of 27 years using an estimated 1 million limestone blocks. But what lies beneath its massive structure? According to some reports, there may be a secret chamber or void hidden deep within the pyramid. This alleged chamber has been the subject of much speculation and debate among experts, with some believing it could contain a secret passageway leading to an even bigger mystery. To get to the bottom of this mystery, researchers have used various methods to peer inside the pyramid without actually digging through it. They've used everything from simple tools like knockers to advanced technology like cosmic rays. One team of researchers even used a heat sensor to detect changes in temperature, which can indicate the presence of a hollow space. Despite these efforts, nothing conclusive has been found. Some experts remain convinced that there is a secret chamber somewhere within the pyramid, while others believe it's nothing more than a figment of everyone's imagination. But it's not just the Great Pyramid that could be hiding secrets beneath its surface. The other two pyramids at Giza, the Pyramid of Khafre and the Pyramid of Menkaure, may also have something to hide. While much smaller than their bigger brother, these pyramids are still impressive feats of engineering, and they too could contain secret chambers or passageways. Unfortunately, our knowledge of these pyramids is much more limited due to their deteriorated condition and the fact that they've been less studied. But that doesn't mean they're not hiding secrets of their own. As technology improves, we may one day be able to see inside these pyramids and discover what lies beneath them. Who knows what we might find? Perhaps we lions discover a hidden treasure trove of artifacts, or maybe we lions find evidence of a long-lost civilization. Whatever we find, it's sure to be an exciting discovery. What do you think is hiding under the pyramids? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about lost secrets and ancient civilizations. You won't want to miss our upcoming videos on the mysterious death of Cleopatra and the lost city of Atlantis. Thanks for watching. Bye.